Hi folks, I'm Tom Kvika here on a Friday. It's thank goodness it's Friday, and 94 degrees out at the airport. Dew point 70, which is reasonable here in Cenla for this time of year. Yeah, it is muggy, man, and we have a heat index with that. Probably feel about like 98, 99 degrees. A little bit of a wind. We see a mostly sunny sky. The sun's tough today, so if you're fair skinned, fair complected, got sensitivities to the sun with skin or eyes, then these are the kind of days you want to limit time outdoors as the UV reading's pretty high. Going on into LaSalle Parish, hi folks and Gina, and thanks Cenla Broadcasting for these cams. We've got 92 degrees and a mostly sunny sky there as well. All right, looking at the radar, we continue to see that, yeah, enjoy this. No rain again for today. We're drying out some. I need to get, do some yard work like many of you do. But you got those places that you can't get the riding mower on. It's still too wet. So this is helping dry things out. Nothing dries things out like sunshine. All right, so we see a little bit of easterly flow though, with a little front in the vicinity. And then checking the radar and satellite images, little storm complex up across the Texas Panhandle earlier in the morning. Little front again in our area. Here's a high pressure. Remember the circulation around that is clockwise, so that's why you're seeing on the radar, you saw that wind moving from east and northeast around this high. And so that has kind of stabilized things a bit and brought a little bit dry air in, but not real dry. We can still feel that humidity. It is Futurecast by noon for Saturday. Not much happening. We see a little evidence of the sea breeze to the south, and that will just kind of journey up during the day. And right now, it looks like the atmosphere is too capped because there's a high pressure ridge off to the west, kind of a heat dome some of you may have been hearing about, and that is kind of edging into our area today, and yesterday was kind of the first day of that when the rain kind of cleared out, and this weekend will be on the eastern side of that, so it'll be a hot weekend, but still we can get the sea breeze in action there, but it's not as active as it usually is. And weaker than it usually is. Tropical cyclone formation not expected the next 7 days according to the National Hurricane Center, but there is evidence that the Gulf and Caribbean are going to be unsettled in the coming days though. So my 7-day forecast has some things here that you need to know about. First of all, we're looking at a hot weekend during the day. Nights aren't bad, 69 to 71, but those mid-90s leaves room for some upper 90s at the hottest locations. And then a little fog issues maybe early Sunday morning and early Monday morning to send you on your way to work Monday morning. And by then, we'll notice a change in the weather pattern. We'll be getting weather from the north continuing, front in the vicinity even for your Saturday, but then going into Monday, Tuesday, still some frontal influence. So temperatures are toned down some compared to what we're going to have this weekend during the day, and rain chances are back. Right now, I can't forecast anything more than scattered in the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. We got 40-50% those days, but we've got our eyes watching on the Gulf of Mexico. There's enough model evidence and enough ensemble evidence to indicate that, well, at the very least, the Gulf, Caribbean, Northwest Caribbean area is going to become unsettled by that time frame, by the latter part of next week. And of course, we'll keep that in mind. The forecast doesn't look bad as I toned down rain chances back to 20 cents worth there for Thursday and Friday. And that is Father's Day weekend. So your extended planner going into Father's Day weekend. Looks like Saturday, pretty good day. Not much change there, 20%. It'll be kind of hot. But showers and thunderstorms may be on the increase on Sunday, on Father's Day. We'll double that to about 40% there. We'll continue to be watching the Gulf of Mexico. There seems to be some non-tropical things going on, but there's also some tropical influence as well. So we'll keep you updated on that. And Dad's Day right now looks like hit and miss rain. Robert, thanks for being with me. And Nick Mickles and I will continue to update you and put things on Facebook